Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I am Nurul Atika binti Muhammad Akmal Parmeswaran from UITM Cawangan Melaka Campus Alogajah with the matrix number of 2020 841816. So, the project that I have created is called The Comedy of Errors Simplified Egeon 18 Reasons Why. This is an ebook that simplifies the original play written by William Shakespeare titled The Comedy of Errors. Hence why the title of this project is called The Comedy of Errors Simplified. This story recounts the tale of two sets of identical twins who have unexpectedly split apart following an incident after the birth. So, you may think, behind every project, there has to be an objective, right? And so does this project. This project is created to provide new readers, especially ones who are interested in dipping their toes in literature, such as works written by William Shakespeare himself, a simplified version of it. So, this will be able to provide the readers an easier access into understanding the original content without having to read through the original script that may be hard to be understood by certain readers. Next is the methodology of this project. As you can see on the poster, I have done 8 steps into creating this book. Firstly, I performed a survey on the simplification of literature that I have distributed among the ITM Alagaja students. After getting the results from the survey, then I start on my research, which led me to the chosen book that I have simplified, which is The Comedy of Errors, written by William Shakespeare. After getting the base of the simplification ready, such as the storyline and such, I simplified by play, which which means I simplified it by acts. There's Act 1, Act 2, Act 3, and such. So after getting all of it ready, then I start on the storyboard so that I will be able to have and imagine the general idea of what I wanted the book to look like and how I want to illustrate the design and the characters. Now, with the storyboard ready, I start on the proper illustration of the book using apps such as Procreate. This is an illustration software which you can download on your iPad. Following the finished illustration, I finalized every other detail in the book such as the font, the sizing, colors, and such, so everything can be more cohesive throughout the book. Finally, after I finished the whole book, I promoted it on my social media before releasing the book for sale to everyone. Moving on to the entrepreneurial opportunities, the Comedy of Errors Simplified Egeon 18 Reasons Why also has the potential to generate income and has proven so, as I have sold few of the books. This is an ebook where readers are able to read a simplification of a certain literary works that will be able to completely change the accessibility of how people view this type of books and how people view literature in general. Other than that, the creation of this book would be quite significant in the market for educational book that is more interesting and more visually appealing compared to other book that focuses more on the textual aspects of it. This ebook can be bought by anyone that are interested with the price of 10 Malaysian ringgit. In the wake of that, we'll be moving on to the results and discussion of this project. After selling the book, I proceeded to distribute a short survey to the purchasers, and as you can see here on the chart, 100% of the purchasers enjoys the simplification of the contents, the language used, the illustrations, and many have said that they wish to have more books such as this one as it truly changes how they view literature. So, in conclusion, Many people were interested in purchasing this book because it is unique among other books that people have seen or read before. So it is obvious that the Comedy of Errors Simplified, Egeon 18 Reasons Why, is able to assist many people in appreciating literature and inspire them to read more classical literature and still value the original material regardless of the simplification that they have read. All in all, my main objective is to focus on creating a book that will be able to inspire more people to be interested in reading. Therefore, my future plan is to create more simplified books such as this one to spread the knowledge to more people in order to reach a bigger audience. Based on my research, there are not many books such as this one that I have created in the market that have the same style and thoughts behind it. Therefore, I believe that The Comedy of Errors Simplified, Egeon 18th Reasons Why, would stand out from other English educational books. Other than that, since I took the course ALS 103 Literature in my first semester and ALS 252 Creative Writing during my fourth semester, I think that it increases my level of credibility as a writer and also a literature addict. Furthermore, this ebook was tailor-made to fit the general audience who lack the knowledge for understanding literature, as this book will be helpful for them to be a better reader and understand literature in a completely different way. That will be the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for listening. Assalamualaikum and goodbye.